Wait, no subtitles today. Only listening.
Can we do it? Yes, let's try.
Close your eyes. Listen.
Okay, I'm ready.
This is fun.
I like games.
What did I say? You said
Listen.
good. I heard game. Breakfast is ready.
What are we having?
Eggs and toast. Yes, yes.
I'm so excited for school today. We're going on a field trip to the zoo. I can't wait to see the lions and giraffes. It's going to be the best day ever. I eat simple food in the morning. Eggs and bread are enough. Look outside. The sky is clear. It feels like a good day. I get dressed slowly. I want to feel ready, not rushed. I enjoy quiet drives. Music is soft. My mind feels light. I arrive early. Being early makes me relaxed, not stressed.
I start work by planning my day. A clear plan saves time. I look outside and breathe. Short breaks help me focus.
When work feels hard, I remind myself to go step by step.
I answer emails slowly and clearly. Clear words avoid problems.
I walk a little. Movement helps my brain wake up.
I finish tasks feel easier after that.
Time to do my homework. Let's get started. I can do this.
I remind myself, progress is better than perfection. For lunch, I choose light food. Heavy food makes me sleepy.
I walk outside after lunch. Fresh air clears my head.
I listen to how new birds. I think about my goals. Small steps move me forward.
I wait for the light. Safety is more important than speed.
It's important.
I return to work with more focus. Breaks really help.
When something goes wrong, I stay calm and fix it. I ask questions when I don't understand. That saves time. I finish my main tasks before the day ends. I clean my desk. A clean space feels good.
I leave work feeling proud of my effort.
On the way home, I think about my day.
I stop at the store for milk and fruit.
I pay and thank the cashier. Kind words matter.
That will be $2. Here's your change.
Thank you.
The evening air feels cool and calm.
I unlock the door and step inside.
I wash my hands before cooking. Clean hands are important. Spotting. I sit and eat slowly. Slow eating feels better. After eating, I wash the dishes right away. I relax for a few minutes. Rest helps recovery. Wow, I can't wait to explore the world out there. Yeah, I think about one good thing from today. Gratitude makes hard days feel lighter. I look at the sky. The sunset feels peaceful. I change into comfortable clothes. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I set my alarm for tomorrow.
I read a little. Reading calms my mind.
I stretch my body. Stretching feels good.
I take deep breaths and relax.
I let go of today and welcome rest. A new day begins. I feel ready. The morning light feels fresh. I drink water first. My body thanks me.
I leave the house with calm energy.
I walk with purpose, not pressure. Small steps create big change. Consistency matters more than speed.
Every day is a new chance.
If you understood this without subtitles, you're learning fast. Subscribe now and watch the next episode.